Our shared vision and goal for Chicago students is bold and ambitious. We want to be a city where every child who aspires to earn a college degree has the opportunity and support to do so. In 2006, fewer than 2 out of 3 ninth graders in Chicago public schools graduated from high school. Between 2013 and 2017, our high school graduation rate improved 4 times faster than the national rate. While it is impossible to name any singular factor as a driver for this 20% gain since 2006, one thing we know for sure is that strong, supportive relationships between teachers and students, particularly during the freshman year, is at the heart of this work. Developmental relationships between teachers and students transform schools. This is at the heart of the focus on freshman year. Educators are facilitators of success, and we believe every student can meet high expectations with the right levels of support. At this moment of uncertainty, we are doing everything in our power to support our students and setting them up for success. This means teaching our students to advocate for themselves and looking for signs to support those who may need a helping hand. We know that students who feel supported are students who succeed, and we believe that all students can meet high expectations when adults create the conditions for them to do so. Our success in supporting freshmen has allowed us to raise our expectations beyond high school to ensure that students are graduating with competitive levels of achievement, earning B's or better, and that all students who aspire to earn a college degree can achieve that goal. So while our work is far from over, this documentary provides a moment to celebrate the school staff, teachers, counselors, and leaders whose work to support students resulted in unprecedented academic improvements. We're so grateful for our principals and educators whose dedication and creativity have allowed them to implement the truly innovative freshman support structures that you will learn about in this film. And finally, the premiere of this documentary provides an opportunity to reflect on what has driven our success thus far so we can build upon it. We will not rest until every student who enters a Chicago public school has the right supports to succeed, which requires intentional reflection on how to carry this work into the realm of equity.